on the way to Pad Thai restaurant location. We will pick up Pad Thai menu at the restaurant service you on bus directly. We are to Pad Thai restaurant location right now. We will pick up Pad Thai menu serve you on the bus for you to eat later.
More than just the smallest part of your
my potential destiny. Let me talk to these niggas, yo.
You know that
the finest
you don't
cuisine.
want to be into that same old mercy.
14 karat gold Figaro, made for a gigolo. The only ring she get is one for her pinky toe. Get money off of hoes and rehab physio. Some know me for cornflakes cereal, boxing up honey nut Cheerios. Hear me live in stereo, dropping a soundboy burial. Going aerial, airborne like a virus without the antivirus. Coughing like I got bronchitis, but I remain modest. Getting old, but I'm far from having arthritis. Never see me in a major crisis. My old dirt get brought up by bastards, but I'm Osiris, nicknamed the Lord of Silence. My alliance is like Kamora with a taste for violence. So many dead cause I ain't give them guidance. Fake friends are like 4 quarters, they change for $1 without a non-compliance. Peep the science. Create my empire like I'm Lucius Lion. I'm a giant to clients, serving pizzas with pineapples if you like Hawaiian. Seen 24 bricks all white and call it the ghost of Kobe Bryant. I only fuck with niggas that's reliant. I try to buy in private in a secluded hot climate. On a kilo diet, Weight Watchers before the departures. I'm a squatter like I'm playing for the LA Dodgers. Move around neighborhoods like I'm Mr. Rogers. Supplying niggas see me lapa that drop from my chopper. Overseen by cops and robbers going to war like we in Pearl Harbor. Only fear they get is from my barber. As a midnight marauder, I'm going harder and harder. On a bitch wearing Estee Lauder, but nothing to offer for the smooth criminal street author.
More than just the smallest part of your potential destiny. You know that you don't want to be into that same old mercy.
On the bus, no alcohol service. We have Thai Naked beer. Alcohol 0% is 80 baht. 50 baht for 7-up, 0 sugar, Pepsi Original, Pepsi 0 sugar, and Lipton Lemon Soda for 50 baht. Would you like that drink? You can order and pay more by cash. Now we on the way to Pad Thai restaurant location to pick up Pad Thai menu for you.
Smallest part of your potential destiny. You know that you don't want to be into that same